Because there's something that the Lord has placed upon you. There's something I will command to cause this happen, brothers and sisters. Is what? Take care of your spirit man. Take care of your spirit man. Be fervent in the spirit. Be fervent in the spirit. So no destiny fulfilled itself. Individuals fulfill destinies by themselves. See that what? I will fulfill destiny. I will fulfill destiny. Because of our time.